avenues. As you can see, the snow's over the top of the snowblower, so it's very difficult, very deep. Dad's slowly becoming a snowman because it's still snowing and blowing out here. But of course there's nothing else to do on Saturday, so we just thought we would have some fun in the snow. Say hi! He said he has to keep moving or he won't get done, because at this rate it's going to take him a couple hours. By the time he's done, he'll probably have to do it again. Don't you miss living in Ohio? Hope you guys are having a great time watching this and knowing that you're not here to enjoy it. Jason, you could be out here in the driveway doing this. Oh, here comes the car. The lone car on the drive. Bye, guys.